My name is Patience Ozokwo. My fans call me Mama G. G for General. Of course, you know I'm working for Chief Imo right now. And anything to do with Chief Imo is comedy. This one is a different kind of comedy. It's about school. I have shot a lot of movies that has to do with school. But this is a difference. In fact, you need to hook up with this movie and watch it because it's going to be hilarious and interesting, where people are forced to go to school. You better start going to school now before you are forced to go to school, and then you register anywhere, whether it's a good school or not. Well,
action. Let's go. The sound. The hero.
What is it? Only him make a from go. I got Moses in that. Mama, Papa, oh, what want to go? Papa, what want to go?
Chief Imo has called this one AKARA. And in Igbo land, when you start school initially, we call it OTA. In those days, your mother and your father will just wrap a little AKARA for you. That's your lunch. That's why they call it AKARA. But today we call it kindergarten. We call it anything. So you can imagine at this age, starting from the scratch to go to school for a reason. And I thank God that it's coming out really fine. Very interesting, very, very, very hilarious kind of. It's not because I'm in the movie, no. I have to tell you the truth because only the truth can set you free. This is an interesting comedy, very comic, from A to Z, from beginning to the end. Well, keep watching Chief Imo Comedy. That's where comedy has his pillow. Oh my goodness, AKARA.
I'm Igbo boy, place from the Yoruba land, and I'm happy. I came down to win an award. Best Igbo director. And I'm doing fine. And I'm happy. Legendary. Living legend. Check us off. Mama G. Just gave me a job. The next song. I'm not telling. Cover the whole song. Eliza, pepe them wo, Mama G, pepe them wo, Eliza, pepe them wo, you know me now, pepe you. Don't worry.